Your original hometown dealer, Saida, Trudeau Chrysler Jeep Dodge and Ram.
In this week's court report, nearly 6 years after the incident and after several continuances over the past 3 years, Diane Davis has now finally been sentenced to a minimum of 1 year in prison and is already behind bars. Davis is the Pahrump woman connected to the killing of 17 dogs after a fire was reportedly intentionally set inside her home back in July 2013. During her recent sentencing, Davis appeared while at liberty along with her defense attorney, Lisa Rasmussen. The court reviewed the PSI report and recommendations of the Division of Parole and Probation. Then Davis's attorney argues in support of the court sentencing the defendant to probation with the condition of her not acquiring any more animals than she already has, which is one dog that is 10 years old. Davis herself addresses the court and states that she should be allowed animals if she wants more, and also expresses concern paying the restitution amount in this case. A rep for the state argues in support of the sentencing recommendations of the division with a special condition of Davis spending the first 364 days in jail and requests the court order the defendant to not own any animals during her probation. Then Lisa Thilaner with Parole and Probation notes special condition number 2 of the recommendations of the division. As a rebuttal, Davis's attorney argues in support of the defendant keeping the one dog she has at this time. Finally, the court sentences Davis to 12 to 60 months in prison, with 13 days credit for time served and an undisclosed amount to be paid in restitution. Davis was ordered to turn herself in earlier this week on Monday, May 20th at 7 p.m. Ashley Wynn, the woman accused in an area fatal crash, now has a motion to suppress scheduled next month on June 17th. This was decided during Wynn's calendar call earlier this month on May 13th. Also on that date, Wynn appeared while at liberty along with her defense attorney, Adam Vanderheyden. Also during that time, case parties declared ready and defense filed a motion to suppress in open court. Now Wynn's pretrial motion and jury trial are both scheduled to begin June 24th. That will be nearly 3 years to the day from the date of that fatal DUI crash, reportedly involving Wynn at Honeysuckle Street and South Dandelion Street, that killed a bride-to-be and injured her fiancé. Notably, Wynn's trial dates have been rescheduled several times, and she has remained at liberty while she awaits trial to face the formal charges of DUI causing death and DUI causing bodily harm. This has been your court report. I'm Eunette Gentry for News 25.